I've worked with a lot of content teams really throughout the years to teach them how to write for the search engines. And I think that's the biggest challenge, whether you're working with your own team or an external team, is communicating that writing style. Often I like working with newer writers, people that are just out of school, as opposed to seasoned writers in a more traditional writing environment, only because the way that you would write for print or an academic paper is going to be completely different than when you write for the web, almost to the point where, I feel bad working with some of these really talented writers, because it's like, okay, actually, you need to change the structure and water it down to almost like a 5th grade level. And then you throw in a lot of the technical aspects as well. It's really just communicating that balance, helping them understand that there are certain ranges within content that need to be there. You don't want to write so much for the search engines that you're nullifying the value that you're providing to the end user. But at the same time, if you don't put the proper work into it, then you're never going to attract the traffic to get users there in the first place.